back. If you're looking for a way to reduce cost at this time, refinancing your auto loan can save you money in a number of ways. Today we have Deidre Davis, MSUFCU Chief Marketing Officer, with us to talk about the benefits of refinancing your car loan to drive down that payment. Good morning. Thanks so much for being here with us.
Thank you. Nice to be here. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. So let's start off. What are the benefits of refinancing that auto loan?
Sure. So like you were saying, you could save money because you can lower your interest rate. And when you lower your interest rate, then that will result in a lower payment. You can also potentially shorten the term of your loan. And so now is a really great time to look at what your rate is and compare rates at maybe a couple different financial institutions and find out what they're offering, because then you can potentially save money and you can use that money maybe for a savings account or to pay off other debt that you have.
And is it possible to use the equity I might have in my car for some cash that I'm going to need right now?
Yeah. So if you find yourself in a spot where maybe you don't have savings and some kind of emergency has come up, something that you need money immediately for, you can take a look at the car you have, and you might actually have equity in that. And so equity is the difference on what you owe and what the car is worth. And so you might be able to take money out of that equity and have that for, maybe you put it in a savings account, or maybe you need to use it for an emergency. But oftentimes that auto loan rate will be lower than if you needed to turn to a credit card or some other kind of loan. And so right now auto loans are, in the 3% range. And so that's such a great rate if you have an emergency that you can't cover through typical savings if you don't have those available.
Yeah, and like you said, I think people would be surprised to know that rates actually are pretty good right now. So keep that in mind. If I'm one of those people, maybe I just completed a car loan, let's say in the last few months, can I still refinance that loan?
Yes, absolutely. So refinancing will generally make sense at any time if you're able to lower your interest rate, but it makes particular sense at the beginning of your loan, because most of the interest that you pay on any loan is paid in the beginning months or even years, depending on the term of the loan. And so it's a great time. So don't be, concerned that, I just took this auto loan out 3 months ago, but do be aware that in some cases there could be that you received a special on the financing deal. So you might have to wait 2, 3, 4 months. So just be sure that you know what the terms are of your loan, so that you don't face any penalty when you refinance.
And you guys are all about options there at MSUFCU. So what do you offer in terms of auto loan refinancing?
Yeah, so right now, I mentioned that rates are about 3%. So we've got auto loan rates as low as 2.99%, and currently no payments for 90 days. So that really helps. Again, maybe you use what you would have put towards your car payment to put into an emergency savings fund, so you're prepared for anything that could arise down the road. And then also you'll receive $100 cash back, so that'll help fill up the tank the first couple times.
All right, and if people want to learn more information about everything you have to offer beyond auto financing, refinancing, where can they go?
Just come to our website, msufcu.org, and you'll find all the information you need, but also feel free to call, and our branches are open by appointment. And so you can definitely come in if that is your preference.
All right, well, it's great seeing you again. Thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you. Great to be here.
And we'll be right back.